4 weeks after our last video when we visited the peonies, which were not ready to harvest. It was very wet, even cold, but today it's 30 degrees, a little bit windy, a lot of sun, and the harvesting of the peonies has begun. As far as the eye can see, peonies, peonies, peonies. So it was less than 4 weeks when the first peonies were harvested, and now with 30 degrees Celsius and a little bit windy, it's time to harvest the rest. So, harvested by hand, they put them all together in special crates and transport them into the shed, where they will be bunched and packed by 40 or 60 into the auction. So with these temperatures, it's really important that you stay on top of harvesting. Otherwise, these buds will turn very soon into that. The perfect stage to harvest a peony is when the bud opens and it's soft like that. And although it may look good to the eye, this kind of bud is too soon to harvest. This is a perfect example of that not every peony flowers at the same time. This is a real early one, and it's right beside a white variety. I think it's called Duchesse de Nemours, which flowers a little bit later. So today we witnessed the harvesting of the peonies in the picturesque village of Obdam. There were peonies as far as the eye could see. Peonies, peonies, and again peonies. All picked by hand and very soon in a shop nearby. If you liked our video, please like and subscribe there, or there.